Story Factory time. Today we're reading Ada's Wash Day. It's about a little girl that has to learn how to wash her hair because she has very short, curly, frizzy hair. Shall we start? Okay. Ada's Wash Day. She's wearing a lovely crown on her head, isn't she? It's Sunday morning and Papa and Gabby have gone to the park. I also want to go play outside, Ada moaned. She's not very happy, is she? Sorry, Sweet Pea, it's wash day today, replied Mama sweetly. It's not fair. I hate wash day. It takes so long. I hate my hair, Ada shouted, stomping off to her bedroom. Mama followed Ada upstairs. Knock, knock. No reply. Can I come in, please, Sweet Pea? Asked Mama. Okay, replied Ada quietly. She's sitting on her bed and she's not very happy, is she? Oh, Sweet Pea, it's okay. We can go for a cycle later. Would you like that? Asked Mama. But first we need to wash your hair. We do the same thing every week. Plus you went swimming yesterday, so we really have to. Ugh, it smells of pool, Ada exclaimed. It will be fun. We can watch your favourite show, Mama replied. So she remembers her swimming. Do you have to wash your hair after going swimming? I think so. Can you tell me again what we need to do? Asked Ada. Sure, Sweet Pea, it goes like this. Shampoo 2 times, condition, and then detangle. That's the bit I don't like. Detangling. It takes so long and it hurts. I'm sorry, darling. It won't be so long today, and I hope it won't hurt, Mama assured Ada. Step 1, Mama squeezed large dollops of shampoo onto Ada's hair. She then gently massaged the shampoo into the hair, whipping up large amounts of foam and bubbles. My eyes, Ada screamed. I'm sorry, Mama said. It's okay, Mama, Ada replied. Mama continued washing Ada's hair, this time being extra careful not to get any soap in her eyes. Are we almost finished yet? Ada asked. Almost. Shampoo done. Now for step 2, condition. Would you like to help? Mama asked. Oh, yes, please, Ada replied with enthusiasm. Look, she's got her hand up ready to take the conditioner. Ada scooped up large amounts of conditioner from the tub, taking her time to smell it before rubbing it all over her hair. It looks like chocolate mousse, but it smells like coconut and honey, said Ada. They worked the conditioner in the scalp and all throughout the strands of her hair. Ada's hair recoiled like a spring, a boing, a boing. So all the hair came out and it boinged back again because she's got lovely curly hair. Ada grabbed her shower cap and placed it on her head. Today we'll leave it on for 15 minutes, Mama said. Ada grabbed her tablet and set the timer for 15 minutes. I'm going to do some gymnastics for a bit. That way my hair can really get a good steam. Brrr, went the timer. Ada rushed back to the bathroom. I'm ready, Mama. And she did some lovely exercises while she was waiting, didn't she? Okay, step 3, time to detangle. I promise I will take it slowly, Mama said, trying to reassure Ada. Mama parted her hair into 4 sections and used a black brush to detangle her hair. Voila, finished, Mama exclaimed. That was quick. I didn't feel a thing, Mama, Ada said, smiling brightly. Wow, what beautiful hair you have, Ada. Some kids at school say that my hair is not beautiful. They think I am a boy because I have boy hair, said Ada sadly. They think you're a boy? Your hair is beautiful, darling. What's boy hair anyway? Asked Mama quizzically. Short, fluffy hair like this, she said, grabbing her hair. They keep making fun of me and I don't like it. I'm sorry, Sweet Pea. Kids can be a bit mean, explained Mama, giving Ada a big hug. I want long, straight hair like my friends. Like you, she said sheepishly. She's looking at her mummy's hair. Your hair is your crown. It's what makes you, you. Unique and special. Look, she's got a lovely crown on her head. That's the beauty of our hair, Sweet Pea. It's so versatile. Mama grabbed the shower head, leant over the bathtub and gave her hair a good soak. I want to look like you, Mama said. Her long straight hair transformed into a big cloud of tight curls. Isn't she lucky she can have straight hair and curly hair? We can rock our curly hair together, Mama said, chuckling. They both laughed, rocking out with their curly hair. They're dancing with joy, aren't they? And look at the picture, all the different hairstyles that Ada can have. Her hair can be up and it can be plaited and it can have a little bit of a fringe. It can have all these other strands and she can have pigtails. It's amazing. So she can have all these different hairstyles with her hair. So you've got to be happy with the way your hair is, haven't you? And that way you can be happy all the time, every day. You can change your hair, pull it up, pull it down. I have a wig and that's because I don't always have a good hair day and this way I can hide my hair under the wig. So I hope to see you again very soon. Let me know how your hair wash day went. Bye-bye for now.